Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a very highly requested video. I cannot tell you guys how many comments, DMs, requests I have seen for me to make this video for a couple of months now. And I know it's way overdue, but I'm going to be honest, I was kind of pushing back on filming this video because I am very specific with the way that I organize stuff, especially my phone. It's something that I go on every day, I look at a lot, and I just am really particular about how it's set up and everything, and for the longest time I didn't really have a set way that everything was organized, and until a couple of weeks ago I finally got my life in order and organized my apps. I categorized everything, I color coded, and we're finally good to film this video, and my phone is now going to stay clean forever because I finally figured out a good set way that I like it. I know where my apps are and just looks nice. Another reason why I held back on filming this video was because I don't know how my photos organized, and it really bothers me, but everything before the year 2020, so like all of my videos and photos that I've ever taken are saved into my Snapchat memories, and everything from 2020 on is saved into my camera roll, which is in iCloud now. The reason why I don't like that is because if Snapchat were to ever get deleted, or if my account were to ever be suspended for whatever reason, all of my videos and photos from my previous years would be lost and gone forever. There would be no way to recover them. So I really don't like that. I'm still trying to figure out a way to save all of my Snapchat memories into my camera roll so they can be in chronological order with the right date and timestamp. I know it sounds really stupid, but it would just really bother me if everything wasn't in order. So the current phone that I have is a black iPhone 11, and for anybody asking about my case, it is a plain silver glittery one from Walmart. It was only like 10 bucks, and it's super protective. It like wraps around the corners, and it's a rubber material, which I like. So as per usual, if you guys have watched any of my previous What's on My iPhone videos, you guys know that I have to show you my lock screen before I start screen recording, because as soon as I lock my phone, the screen recording stops. So my wallpaper is just a picture of me and my boyfriend. Alright, so this is what you see when you unlock my phone, and I have all of my basic apps on the first page, and then on the second page are all of like my main apps. So on the first page I have Find My iPhone, FaceTime, Phone, Contacts, all in the first row. I have my calendar, camera, photos. I always have to have my camera and photos app together. I don't know if anybody else does that, but mine has just been like that forever. If you go in any of my previous What's on My iPhone videos, literally my first one will probably be set up somewhat similar. I don't know why I'm sitting here and reading them all to you. You can see them right here. But they're all the default Apple apps. And then the two apps that I have at the bottom are supposed to be the main ones that you can access while you're on any page of your phone. And I have my messages and my Apple Music. So going over to the second page, on the top row I have all of my social medias out and not categorized in folders, and that's because that's just the apps that I use the most. Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, it's always been in that order. So I have those. If you guys want to follow me on Instagram, you guys know can't do one of these videos without a plug. So all of my socials are always in the description box of all of my videos, so definitely go give me a follow. So this is my Instagram feed. It was actually another reason why I held back filming this video. I wanted to get my Instagram in order, so I finally found a filter that makes everything look nice and pink and matching. So if you guys are curious how I keep my Instagram feed and edit my photos, that's for a different video. And then going into Snapchat, you guys know the deal. Stories, I have all of my memories in here, and then I don't really snap much people. I think there's only like 2 people on my best friends list, which is Maddie and my boyfriend. Next, going into YouTube, here are all of my subscriptions. These are people that I currently watch. If I don't watch them in a while, I will unsubscribe just because I like to clean everything out. So I have Gabby, James Charles, Jeffree Star, Carly Steele, Kendall Ray, Patty Mayo, Salmon Colby, Shane, Sylvia Ganny, and Tana Mojo. I don't really use Facebook, and I also don't really tell you guys to follow it because I'm never on it. I only really have it for like family reasons. So the first folder is all for shopping. The top row is my 3 main shopping apps that I use on a daily. Let Go is like kind of like a local selling and buying app. I have Mercari as well as Poshmark. I would say I definitely use Poshmark the most. That's where I have the most listings. So if you guys are interested in anything that I might be selling, I will leave it down below for you guys to check out. You can also use code CTA6707 when you sign up to get a free $10 off your first purchase. So yeah, definitely be sure to go check that out. I also have eBay. I have Honey, which is that like coupon extension browser. I have Amazon, again, pretty sure. OfferUp, which is again another local selling and buying app. I have Ulta, Wish, Romwe, Forever 21, and also Pink. I only really have Pink for coupons and deals and stuff, and Forever 21 and Romwe, I just really like to look on there if I'm bored. The next folder is my games. So I have a couple of games. The first one is Fashion Story, which I used to play when I was like literally probably 11, 12, and it's just still such an addicting game to me. I don't know why. I have Word Shaker, which is basically just like a crossword puzzle game. Heads Up, Farkle is like a dice game. Chromatic, this is my current obsession at the moment. It's just so satisfying and I love playing it. It's really simple. You basically have all these colors and they mash them up and you have to put them back in order. So it's really time consuming, but if you're ever bored, it's really entertaining. I have 2048. I never really understood how to play this game till recently, and it's a pretty addicting game if I'm ever bored. So yeah, there's that. I have Walking Pet, which this game, if you were to look at it, you would be like, this is really stupid. But you basically have to get this cat to like walk as far as you can by like tapping, and it's really hard to get him not to fall over by going like too slow or too fast. Let's see if I could beat my high score on the, oh frick. Okay, well whatever, this game's stupid. Next is Magic Tiles. I'm pretty sure everybody had this on their phone at once. And then the last game is Merge Plane, which is a really good idle game. The third folder is all of my food apps. I really only have these for like any deals or points that I could get for ordering. Also, all of my folders are color coded, so whatever color heart it is the color of the app that's in the middle of the folder. So orange is Honey. I have green for Subway. The blue folder is all of my school apps. I have Google Docs, a couple apps to help me figure out any hard problems, Cam Scanner, which is to scan PDFs, Zoom, which is the app I use to log into homeroom every morning. The next folder is my editing folder for mainly YouTube or my photos for Instagram. The first app, Canva, is what I use for my thumbnails. I don't really make my thumbnails on my phone unless I'm like out and didn't have time to make a thumbnail or just like need like a quick one. YouTube Studio, which I can basically like manage my channel on the go. The third app is Cameo. If you guys are interested in getting a personalized video shout out from me, definitely be sure to check out this app. It is for you. I have all of the information down below in the description box, like always. Eraser is a great app for if you want to take away the background from any picture. I use this sometimes for my thumbnails, but it basically just creates like a PNG image. Facetune, I really only use this app to like change colors or maybe make something more vibrant. Like for example, the sunset picture, I added a little bit more color. And then Visco, which is the main app that I use to edit my photos. The last folder is just extra apps that don't really go in any specific category. So I have AMC. This State Farm app is an insurance app. I have CVS Pharmacy. I have TikTok in here. I know it's technically like a social media, but I don't want to have it out with my main apps because I don't use it like a lot. I have Planet Fitness. I only use this app to scan my barcode if I'm going to the gym. Musi, which is an offline music app. I do have Apple Music, but I have this app for any songs that aren't on Apple Music yet but are on YouTube. You could basically like download any YouTube video and it'll be downloaded into a playlist so you can listen to it offline. And then the last app is Roku, which is a Roku remote controller. I don't know why this video has been so highly requested. I literally have nothing interesting or juicy on my phone at all. The only people I really talk to on a daily are my parents, my sister, my boyfriend, and my best friend. So that was it for this video. If you guys liked it, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also comment down below what phone you currently have. I'll also leave it down below all of my other previous what's on my iPhone videos, so you can go watch that after this one. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to turn on all my post notifications so you get a notification in your Dropbox every time I upload a video. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you all so much, and bye guys.